In today's video, we are going to quickly go over how to calculate the concentration of a solution, specifically in grams per decimeter cubed, which is a common unit used in chemistry to describe how much solute is dissolved in a given volume of solution. If you have never come across the term decimeter cubed before, it simply refers to a unit of volume that is equal to 1,000 centimeters cubed and is exactly the same as 1 liter of water, so you can think of it as a liter when trying to visualize quantities. The key equation that we use to calculate concentration is very straightforward and is written as concentration equals mass divided by volume, with mass measured in grams and volume in decimeters cubed. To make it easier to rearrange and remember, we often present this equation in the form of a formula triangle. The formula triangle is a helpful visual tool where the horizontal line represents division and the vertical line represents multiplication. To use the triangle, simply cover the part you want to find and read off what to do with the other two. For example, if you want to find the concentration, you cover the letter C, and that leaves you with mass over volume. If you are looking for mass, you cover the M and do concentration multiplied by volume. Lastly, to find volume, you cover the V and do mass divided by concentration. Let us apply this with a few examples. Suppose we have 40 grams of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 2.5 decimeters cubed of water. To find the concentration, we use the formula mass divided by volume, which gives 40 divided by 2.5, resulting in 16 grams per decimeter cubed. Rather than writing the full phrase per decimeter cubed each time, we use the scientific notation dm raised to the power of -3, which is a standard way of expressing per in scientific units. In another example, suppose we are given 24 grams of copper sulfate dissolved in 480 centimeters cubed of water. Before applying the formula, we must convert the volume from centimeters cubed into decimeters cubed by dividing 480 by 1,000, which gives 0.48 decimeters cubed. Now we divide the 24 grams of copper sulfate by 0.48 decimeters cubed, which gives a concentration of 50 grams per decimeter cubed. This clearly demonstrates the importance of checking units before performing any calculations, because a common way examiners try to trick students is by mixing units, like using kilograms instead of grams or centimeters instead of decimeters. As mentioned earlier, this equation can also be rearranged to find the mass if we are given the concentration and volume. For instance, imagine we are given a sample of hydrochloric acid with a volume of 400 centimeters cubed and a concentration of 20 grams per decimeter cubed. We want to know the mass of hydrogen chloride present in the solution. First, we convert the volume to decimeters cubed by dividing 400 by 1,000, giving us 0.4 decimeters cubed. Then, according to the formula triangle, mass equals concentration multiplied by volume. We multiply 20 grams per decimeter cubed by 0.4 decimeters cubed, which gives us 8 grams. Therefore, we know that there are 8 grams of hydrogen chloride dissolved in our original 400 centimeters cubed sample. In summary, always remember to use the correct units, apply the mass equals concentration multiplied by volume formula appropriately, and check whether you are being asked to calculate concentration, mass, or volume. That's everything for now, and we hope this helped clarify how to calculate the concentration of a solution in grams per decimeter cubed. If you found this explanation useful, feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.